Ever tried editing a masterpiece on a laptop, only for it to freeze, stutter, or turn your colors dull? In this video, you'll discover the top 5 best laptops for graphics work, the ones that can really bring your art to life. Stay tuned, and if any catches your eye, grab it via the links in the description below. At number 5 is ASUS ProArt StudioBook Pro. What if one laptop could transform your workflow and fix your endless frustration with color-shifting displays and sluggish renders? The ASUS ProArt StudioBook Pro 17W700 does just that. Its 17-inch nano-edge matte screen delivers 97% DCI-P3 and Pantone-validated accuracy, so your edits show true colors every time. Inside, a powerful Intel i7 CPU and NVIDIA Quadro RTX 3000 Max-Q GPU push heavy 3D video and graphics tasks without stutter. Rendering or compositing feels smooth and stable. Compared to lighter laptops on a typical top 5 best laptops for graphics work list, this machine prioritizes precision and performance over portability. Yes, it's a bit bulky and lacks multiple Thunderbolt ports, but if you crave reliability, color-perfect visuals, and real-world speed for editing, 3D work, or video, this one's a smart, confident pick. At number 4 is GIGABYTE AERO 14 OLED. Imagine opening your eyes to colors so rich they feel real. That's what you get with GIGABYTE AERO 14 OLED, and diving into your editing suite feels like entering a new world. Its 14-inch 2.8K OLED with 100% DCI-P3 and VSA HDR600 gives you cinematic depth and sharp detail. Every texture, every shadow, every highlight feels true. The Intel i7 CPU paired with an RTX 4050 GPU delivers smooth performance for editing, 3D work, or rendering heavy graphics without hiccups. Compared to other laptops in the top-tier graphics list, this one strikes a powerful balance. Seriously capable, yet surprisingly portable. On the flip side, battery life is modest, and RAM isn't upgradable, so for marathon editing on the go, you might feel tethered to a charger. But if you want vibrant visuals, reliable speed, and creative freedom without carrying a heavy workstation, this feels like a smart, satisfying pick. And number 3 is ASUS Vivobook Pro 16X OLED. Imagine you open a laptop and the moment you see the screen, you catch your breath. That's what happens with the ASUS Vivobook Pro 16X OLED's 16-inch 3.2K OLED with 120Hz refresh, 100% DCI-P3, and Pantone validation. Colors look alive, shadows deep, highlights crisp, perfect for serious design, photo editing, or video work. Under the hood, a powerful Intel i9 13980HX plus a capable NVIDIA GPU pushes through heavy rendering, multi-layer editing, or 3D tasks smoothly. Compared to other contenders in a top 5 laptops for graphics work lineup, this one balances raw power and creative precision with nice portability. The trade-offs? Battery life is short and its chassis feels a bit mixed. If you want vibrant visuals, editing speed, and reliable creative performance, this laptop is a solid, confident choice. If you need all-day battery or ultra-lightweight travel convenience, maybe consider an alternative. At number 2 is Microsoft Surface Studio 2. What if your workspace felt more like a blank canvas and less like a clunky PC? That's the moment the Microsoft Surface Studio 2 shines. Its gigantic 28-inch PixelSense display with 4500x3000 resolution and individually calibrated DCI-P3 color brings art to life. Every hue, shadow, highlight crisp and true. The discrete NVIDIA GTX GPU and i7 CPU deliver enough muscle to power heavy 3D renders, photo editing, and complex design workflows smoothly. Compared with most laptops in a top 5 for graphics work list, this one isn't just about portability, it's about giving you a full creative studio at your desk. On the downside, it's bulky, pricey, and not portable at all. But if you crave color-perfect visuals, Pen Plus Touch support, and stability for long editing sessions, this feels like a thoughtful, powerful investment. Now moving to the last one is ASUS Vivobook Pro 16X OLED Slim. What if you could open a laptop and instantly feel your creativity breathe easier? The ASUS Vivobook Pro 16X OLED Slim does exactly that. Its 16-inch WQXGA Plus OLED panel with ultra-slim bezels delivers rich, true-to-life colors perfect for design, photo editing, and graphics workloads you expect from a top 5 graphics work machine. The Ryzen 7 Plus RTX 3050 Ti inside gives enough muscle to dodge slowdowns when rendering or compositing heavy files. Compared to bulkier power workstation laptops, this model strikes a balance. Solid performance and great visuals, with a slimmer profile that feels more manageable. On the downside, upgrades